dumpster rental service in Lewisville, Texas. Planning a home remodel, major cleanout, or construction project? Managing all that waste can feel overwhelming. That's where Insta-Dump comes in, your trusted partner for reliable dumpster rental services in Lewisville, Texas. At Insta-Dump, we specialize in hassle-free and efficient waste removal. Whether you're tackling a small renovation or a large-scale project, we've got the right size dumpster for your needs. No matter the job, our dumpsters can handle construction debris, household junk, yard waste, and more. We're committed to keeping Lewisville, Texas, clean and green with responsible waste disposal practices. Are you unsure which size you need? Our knowledgeable team is here to help you choose the perfect dumpster for your project. Call Insta-Dump at 940-231-6399 to schedule your dumpster rental. Don't let waste hold you back. Choose Insta-Dump for the best dumpster rental service in Lewisville, Texas.